Welcome to Chef Mariam's website, where you'll find delicious recipes, cooking tips, and more to help you become a culinary expert in your own home. One of the most popular recipes on this website is Chef Mariam's cinnamon rolls. These gooey, cinnamon treats are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even as a dessert. The recipe is easy to follow and will have your kitchen smell amazing in no time. To start, you'll need to make the dough. Combine warm milk, yeast, sugar, butter, and egg in a large mixing bowl. Then, gradually add in flour and salt until a smooth dough forms. Let the dough rise for an hour in a warm place, until it doubles in size. Once the dough has risen, roll it out into a rectangle and spread melted butter over the surface. Sprinkle a generous amount of cinnamon and sugar on top. Then roll the dough up tightly. Cut the roll into equal pieces and place them in a greased baking dish. Let the rolls rise again for another half hour, then bake in the oven until golden brown. While the rolls are baking, you can make the icing. Simply mix together powdered sugar, butter, vanilla extract, and milk until a smooth and creamy icing forms. These cinnamon rolls are sure to become a favorite in your household. They're easy to make, delicious to eat, and perfect for any occasion. Whether you're serving them for a special brunch or just enjoying them on a lazy weekend morning, Chef Mariam's cinnamon rolls are sure to be a hit. But don't stop at just this recipe. Explore the website for more culinary delights. From savory main courses to sweet desserts, Chef Mariam's website has everything you need to become a master chef in your own kitchen. So what are you waiting for? Get cooking. Introduction. 1. Cinnamon rolls are a delicious pastry that is enjoyed by people of all ages. 2. These rolls are made with a sweet, cinnamon-infused filling and a soft, fluffy dough that is baked until golden brown. 3. They are often served for breakfast or brunch, but can also be enjoyed as a dessert. 4. Cinnamon rolls can be found in bakeries and cafes around the world, but they are also easy to make at home with just a few simple ingredients. 5. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, making cinnamon rolls is a fun and rewarding experience that will impress your friends and family. 5. So why not try making some today and see for yourself how delicious they can be? Cinnamon roll recipe. Chef Mariam. Cinnamon rolls are a classic pastry that can be enjoyed any time of day. Whether you're looking for a sweet treat for breakfast, brunch, or dessert, these gooey, cinnamon-infused rolls are sure to satisfy your cravings. In this blog post, we'll share Chef Mariam's recipe for cinnamon rolls, along with step-by-step instructions and helpful tips to ensure your rolls turn out perfect every time. Ingredients. Dough. 1. 1 cup warm milk. 2. 2 1/4 teaspoons active dry yeast. 3. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 4. 1/3 cup unsalted butter, melted. 5. 1 large egg. 6. 1 teaspoon salt. 7. 4 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. Filling. 1. 1 cup brown sugar, packed. 2. 2 1/2 tablespoons ground cinnamon. 3. 1/3 cup unsalted butter, melted. Icing. 1. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2. 2 cups powdered sugar. 3. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 4. 3 to 4 tablespoons milk. Directions. 1. In a huge blending bowl, join warm milk and yeast. 1. Stir to dissolve the yeast and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes until frothy. 2. Add sugar, melted butter, egg, salt, and 2 cups of flour to the mixing bowl. 2. Stir until well combined. 3. Gradually add the remaining flour, 1/2 cup at a time, until the dough forms a ball and is no longer sticky. 4. Knead the dough on a floured surface for 5 to 7 minutes until smooth and elastic. 5. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a damp towel, and let it rise in a warm place. 6. For 1 hour, or until it doubles in size. 7. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 8. On a floured surface, roll out the dough into a rectangle about 18 by 12 inches. 9. Spread the liquefied margarine over the outer layer of the mixture. 10. Sprinkle the earthy colored sugar and cinnamon combination over the margarine. 11. Cut the log into 12 equal slices. 12. Place the slices into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. 13. Cover with a damp towel and let the rolls rise in a warm place for 30 minutes. 14. Heat the rolls for 25 to 30 minutes or until they are brilliant brown. 15. While the rolls are baking, make the icing. 15. In a small mixing bowl, beat together the softened butter, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and enough milk to reach the desired consistency. 16. When the rolls are done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. 17. Shower the icing over the warm rolls and serve right away. Tips. 1. Make sure the milk is warm, but not too hot, or it will kill the yeast. 2. Kneading the dough is important to develop the gluten and create a soft, chewy texture. 3. Letting the dough rise in a warm place is crucial for the dough to double in size. 4. Rolling the dough tightly is important to prevent the filling from leaking out. 5. Letting the rolls rise a second time is important to ensure they are light and fluffy. 6. Be careful not to overbake the rolls, or they will be dry and hard. 7. In conclusion, making cinnamon rolls is a fun and rewarding experience that can be enjoyed by anyone, regardless of their baking skills. 7. With Chef Mariam's recipe and these helpful tips, you'll Cinnamon Roll. Chef Mariam's special information. Chef Mariam's special twist on cinnamon rolls is her use of cardamom in the filling. Cardamom is a fragrant spice that is commonly used in Middle Eastern and Indian cuisine and adds a unique flavor and aroma to the rolls. To incorporate cardamom into the filling, simply mix in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom with the brown sugar and cinnamon. Spread the mixture over the melted butter on the rolled-out dough and proceed with the recipe as usual. Another special tip from Chef Mariam is to let the dough rise overnight in the refrigerator for an extra fluffy texture and more complex flavor. After kneading the dough, place it in a greased bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and refrigerate overnight. The next morning, let the dough come to room temperature before rolling it out and adding the filling. Finally, Chef Mariam suggests serving the warm cinnamon rolls with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for an extra touch of sweetness. This adds a natural sweetness and a depth of flavor that complements the cinnamon and cardamom spices. Overall, Chef Mariam's special twist and tips add an extra layer of flavor and texture to the classic cinnamon roll recipe, making it a truly special and delicious treat.